Children in low-income families across the state of Texas rely on school lunches to keep them fed and nourished throughout the day due to the lack of available food at home. Many of those children will not have enough meals available to them during the summer months when school is over. For this reason, the United States Department of Agriculture decided to launch the 2024 Summer Electronic Benefit Transfer Program, or Summer EBT, on December 29, 2023, for eligible children across the United States. The $2.5 billion program would grant $120 to eligible low-income families across the U.S. in need of summer lunches. 35 states decided to participate, but Texas was one of the 15 states that passed on the offer. But why? The State Department of Health and Human Services states that the level of effort needed to implement a new program and the need for new appropriations from the legislature, it is not feasible for Texas to successfully launch Summer EBT in 2024. Along with the large amount of effort needed to implement a brand new program, Texas also opted out due to only having 6 months to get the program up and running, which is not much time considering all the other obligations Texas has on its plate, pun intended. The USDA would also only be providing 50% of coverage towards summer EBT expenses. Texas would be responsible for covering the residual costs and claims they do not have the sufficient funds to do so at this time. According to the USDA, it is estimated that the families of 3.8 million children could have received $120 per child to cover summer lunches if the state participated, and that Texas is passing on a total of $450 million in federal tax dollars that would have gone to eligible families here. San Antonio Food Bank President and CEO Eric Cooper believes that summer EBT would have obviously helped families, but also the food bank itself. The demand for food has increased over recent years, and the food bank is struggling to keep up with the demand. Cooper stated that if families got summer EBT, then they would not need to lean on us as much, and our inventory could be stretched and would last a little longer. Though not as extensive as summer EBT, the Texas Department of Agriculture, or TDA, also expanded on their summer meals program, offering free meals at their meal sites for eligible children 18 and under. Many school districts also provide free meals during the summer, as well as other national organizations such as Boys and Girls Clubs and the YMCA. With Texas looking to consider implementing summer EBT in 2025, there are still multiple summer food service programs across the state of Texas, including schools, nonprofits, churches, and other community centers that manage sites in low-income neighborhoods, providing learning opportunities, activities, and most importantly, food for children who need it most. Unfortunately, only an estimated 13% of the eligible population takes advantage of these programs, mainly due to the lack of awareness of them. Especially without summer EBT, it's important for the state of Texas to spread more awareness about SFS programs so children can get the food that they need during the summer months when school has ended.